This is the tutorial for making entries for the Southern Iowa Fair. You'll start by going to southerniowafair.fairentry.com. It will take you to this page that has Southern Iowa Fair at the top. Currently, registration is open for the 2020 Southern Iowa Fair. If you want to know which dates we have set for the different entry periods, you can click on View Details. We have different deadlines for different project areas. And you can go back out. And before you get started, you need to make sure that your 4-H online login information is available to you. If you do not know your password, you can go back into iowa.4honline.com and reset your password. Once you know your password and your login information, you can come back to the FairEntry page and click on Sign In with 4-H Online. Before you do that, please make sure that you read the information off to the left of your page. It's got some current information about creating your exhibits and exhibiting at the county fair. Please make sure entries for all family members are complete before submitting your invoice. That is very important to remember. So let's get started. Click Sign In with 4-H Online. Any email that has been entered there in the past will show up. I am signing in with my little fake family account, and it gets me right to the page that I need to start making entries.